Hello everybody, welcome back to our TCL Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into settings. In the settings, we swipe down to display. And here we want to make sure that first we disable adaptive brightness because it will adjust the brightness automatically. As you guys can see, soon it should either increase or just stay at the level, but as you guys seen this, definitely it jumped up here, and then when I turned it off again, it stayed here. So make sure that you change your brightness, adjust it, and after that, what are we going to do is we're going to go to Play Store, and here in the Play Store, I'm going to quickly use the password. Here we're going to go to search and search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. So once we go here, we go over into the app. We're gonna click install, and as you guys can see, the app is installing. It's only 1.4 megabytes, so it is nothing. We're gonna click open now, and of course we need to give it permissions. So the first one, so it can modify our brightness. The next one is to update the overlay whenever we rotate our screen or enable the keyboard. We're going to click on allow right here in downloaded apps. Now the last one is to display the brightness bar, the same one you had in the settings but in the notifications. Now we're going to lower it, and as you guys can see, whenever we scroll down, we have it in the silent. We have to click it and it will change. So that's how it works here. Of course, you guys can have fun with some brightness settings, for example, like extra dim. Also, the minimum physical brightness, change delay and duration. But as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software. So we're going to go into the settings. In the settings, we're going to scroll down. And once we scroll down, we go over into system update. And here we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. So I am, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating so that you guys can get rid of any glitches from your device. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.